Ke State Bank of India SBI Nongpoh branch minta kesengi ke Pynlong ya ke SBI Smart Agri Customer Meet Harisai Conference Hall Nongpoh. Ban Pynlong ya ke jingekren hapading kinong rep kinong sengkam ke ofisar sorkar bat ki he ke SBI halor kilat kelinti ban Kyntiew ke kam rep karyang katkum kejek menta. Hakini ke jingelang ledon lang u Ezaz Ahmad DGM ke SBI ke Kong Serulin Khan District Agriculture Officer ke Ribhoi Pradeep Kumar Bora, Professor ke Central Agriculture University, Dr. H. Talang, Senior Scientist ke ICAR, bat kiwe-kiwe ki officer. Kinong keren ki lepen pau, baka jingit terilang na baro kiliang ke long ke pedon kam, ban Kyntiew ke kam rep, bat ke yok ke kot jeng kinong rep. Daka bebod iki rukom rep pethamai, bat ki bayahap, bat ke juk start menta. Kejingelang ke long ru ke lat ban pen i kinong rep iki lat jingerap ling ba ke bang, ban Kyntiew ki kam rep ki kam riang. Hakini kesengi ke SBI Nongpoh branch kelas samru ya ke SHG sanction letter syakawai ke kenhon self-help group kum ke jingkershan ban penklan ye ki kam jong ke kenhon.
Big round of applause. Let us all congratulate them by giving a big round of applause.
Nationwide activity, we are conducting such programs all over India, from Jammu to Kerala, from Northeast to Gujarat. Everywhere we are conducting. We are already conducting more than 100 such programs during this fortnight. And our purpose is to connect with the farmers, tell them that we are here for them. We are here to develop the rural community. We are here to help them grow as agripreneurs, rural entrepreneurs, and we want them to become processor from producer, because they will be involved in processing activities. Overall upliftment will be there. Government is also supporting such activities, and we are also here to help them out.
So through the SBI, what kind of facilities you are provided to the farmers?
We are providing every type of facility, from term loan, cash credit, letter of credit, bank guarantees, even the products which are required for exporters, that are also covered. Every facility is there. Whatever the government schemes are there, we are also implementing them.
So is there any future plan to organize such kind of program in other area of the district or in the district of Meghalaya?
Yeah, this type of program will be conducted down the year, so that the proper communication is given to all.
Penyajang yaki nongrep berkabang mengira menyarapan uplift ya kam buku penjaki kan kam nakut tangka thung ketat kan ini bikin long kita ki nongon mi yaki finish product kam nakut tangka bikin chu thung yuso dia no ande hedu bikin pun mi kunki squash kunki cam ini kidu gijing minta di mana Khubor ka jingi orang iki kan dia kan dia ka jing long ini kan dia kalau dia kata bangin bridge ka between kini nongrep jongi bat ka bank dia bat ka government ro kunjo marwa ni university government jongi dan central level pun ki scheme nam ta nongrep kamle yata nama regular kimia ni go subsidy malbaro ka dega jing balong ka jing yarap na ka central government na ka kwa ba ki farmers kin kiyo no ka kam nam ko tang ka to ka old tradition of farming kan dia nak ikut dia bab kan kamu kau nak cakap bagi nongrep jadi in Samla ini scientific farming group. Bahkan aku dia orang farming aku ada bagi nongki processor, bagi produce, bagi process ada benda nong. Ini ki program ini kita implementkan bagi mana kita cinta sekali customer. Nak bank lu, nak secure. Tadi kita.
Bila itu ingin kita bukan cuma deh bagi nongrep kuliah di mental lembaga setiap tahun.
Kami ni di sini area ada di KCC. KCC loan ka Manila na do Allah kada pero niya jadi ben tulu gini jutung ki kwa kita gede without any security kato ki ai ha ka por bagi de thum mantan but ha yara ko hado por ba pinda di poi ban ket inda ki je nomor ket kita gede so ki ni bagi liti kita ki mama ta ju di onde ta kata diran ki je yara komi ki SSG group diran ki members ni ki le ki kam chudi ki bada te ki tu ni yara kita very lenient di documentation ni ki ba dom kam ba he ki kop bon kan kita very lenient di documentation ni bagi beliau dekim nam kim start kita very lenient tu deki SSG group ila ai masih di Nongpoh ni kampung ha di pasal ni beli jadi SSG group dengan finance ni
Kumbulong mata dan lebih hal yang bagian KCC lu tu ni. Nak yang gampang bisa monitor ni apa tu?
Oh, ni happen monitor marbaya ke sio. Marbaya lo ben hai gitu kalau kita bisa sampai ba, kalau kita bisa sampai pang kan sampai ba. Ini happen monitor every now and then. Mungkin ini meeting lu undai kan kan di level lu. Every 3 months every 2 months kita ini customer meet dengan jadi agri. Bagi betul iki benefit maka government kita. Dia ke bank kita. Dan dia nak kata lagi syam lagi negeri laman pakai melaban siu show. Dari dan gaji yang ni dan kan menolak kiran ki compromise setel lagi ni lah penyerap ini bagi lah kungka long yang sen kelang pun orang long ba kamai dia kim nak kaman se ko full goal ni kiran ki compromise settlement ni lah penyerap ki pun bagi dia rap bagi kamas ande ya tangkali bagi ai ki ram dan dari kiran ki counseling bagi ai ki